Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. This is your first time tuning in. Make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. So today I have an addition with these fangs, DIY fangs that I use with press-on nails. Yes y'all, press-on nails. This is something you can easily do at home for a DIY costume for Halloween. So make sure you check this out and try it on your own, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment below in the comment section. Hi everyone. So what you're going to need for this DIY is some press-on nails and some Flexident. I got these press-on nails from Amazon like a really long time ago, but you could probably pick yours up from like a local beauty supply store. And the Flexi stuff was probably like from CVS, a Rite Aid, or Walgreens. So what you're going to do is you're going to measure the nails that fit on your, I'm going to just call them your canine teeth, and see if they measure correctly. So it seemed like these ones fit. So what I'm about to start doing now is I'm going to start the creating process of trimming them into actual fang shapes. So just take your pair of scissors and just cut on both sides of the tip of the nail until it looks sharp. One thing I do want to put out there is you don't have to make them super long. You can cut them shorter. I think if the fangs are shorter, they're a lot easier to apply and of course to actually talk. So here's one. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the other fang and just try to, match them up as perfect as you can. If not, don't worry about it. Nobody's going to be all up in your mouth. So now I'm just going to readjust the nail against my tooth just to see if I like the placement or if I like the cut of the nail. So now what you want to do is you want to take like a paper towel or something to just dry the saliva off your gums and the front and the back of your teeth. So make sure that they're really, really dry. I know it's kind of hard to keep from shutting your mouth, but just try to keep your mouth open. So now you want to take the Flexident and put it on the nail. So, and then just adjust it on your tooth. It will actually curve to the shape of your tooth. Now, I have one in, and now I'm just going to go ahead and do the second one. And once you put this on, it's not going to automatically stick. So you are going to have to hold both fangs in until it kind of like sticks to your teeth. And there you go. Also, here is the ending. It was really, really nice. And I'm so happy that I did this and it actually came out pretty well. Hey y'all, hopefully y'all like this tutorial. This was my first time trying to do it. I must say you might need to do it a couple times just to get the hang of it. Also make sure your mouth is really dry and it takes some time for the dental jam to actually adhere to your teeth. So just because it doesn't stick right away, don't give up. Just hold your fingers in your mouth against the teeth and definitely just do like 5 Mississippis and you should be good. Also, another thing, I would say they would probably work a lot better if your fangs are smaller, and so they don't have to be as long as mine, but I was definitely doing it for the dramatics because why not? I definitely will do this again, possibly for like a werewolf look or something else that may require some sharp teeth. Now that I know that I can do it, definitely try to do it on your own because I really had fun doing this and just transforming my look. As you can see, I'm still classy with a little bite. All right, y'all. Bye. I'm a mix it, me.